Hey guys, welcome to Tech Dream channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you change your Kakaotalk background photo. So at first, just go to the Kakaotalk app. Now in the Kakaotalk app, click on your profile, and after clicking on profile, click on the bottom profile icon, and after clicking it, click on the bottom last icon here, this one, and after clicking it, you can just change the background photo from here, like this one. You can just edit this item, or you can just adjust it. And after doing the edit, click on the top right down option, and this is how you can change your background photo in Kakaotalk. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.